Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Garmin Dashcam Live, a smart and feature-packed drive recorder. But does it live up to the price tag? Let's find out. The Garmin Dashcam Live is a sleek and smart dashcam with plenty of impressive features. However, it comes with a hefty price, considering it lacks 4K resolution and support for a rear-view camera. Let's dive into the details. The Dashcam Live boasts an attractive design, and its mount is slimline and magnetic, making it easy to set up behind your rear-view mirror. The bright red power LED might be distracting, but a simple fix can address that. It comes with two power cable options for the cigarette lighter adapter, but hard wiring and LTE data features require additional purchases. The camera offers speed camera alerts, lane departure warnings, and forward collision alarms. However, the driver assistance features were inconsistent and sometimes inaccurate, making them less reliable. To unlock the full potential of the Dashcam Live's connected features, you'll need to subscribe to their LTE data features, costing around $10 to $20, £20 a month. This allows you to track your car's location, receive alerts, and even view live footage through the smartphone app. There's also a helpful SOS mode that can automatically alert contacts in case of an emergency. Despite its 1440p resolution, the videos were crisp and clear, handling different lighting conditions well. Night performance was above average, but the default exposure for night videos was a bit dark. Adjusting the settings improved the night video quality. The Garmin Dashcam Live impresses with its user-friendly menu system and excellent Garmin Drive app. Making changes is easy, and the menu is simple to navigate. While the Garmin Dashcam Live offers convenience and a range of features, it falls short in some critical areas. The lack of 4K resolution, absence of rear-view support, and inconsistent driver assistance features make its high price tag hard to justify. For those who want remote monitoring capabilities, the Dashcam Live might be worth considering. But if you're looking for a more cost-effective option with top-notch features, we recommend checking out Nextbase's 622 GW. That wraps up our review of the Garmin Dashcam Live. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. See you next time.